Yo, what's good, y'all, man? Hey, Chris, two-time back with another video. Hey, today, y'all already know we back with another banger. You already know. So today, I'm finna be repaired the door handle on my Caprice. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on, man. There right here, y'all can see it broke. Door handle broke. Look crazy. I gotta use pliers to, take that off, man. That's how I gotta twist it that way to open the door. That junk look ghetto, man. But hey, look. I gotta pop that out, and it's rivets. They're called rivets. I never knew how to replace them. I've been asking people on YouTube how to do it. They just say, oh, it's easy. You just gotta drill the rivets out. I'm like, how do you do that? So you know what I'm saying? So I've been out here trying to do it. Got these, got the drill. Y'all can see why I've been, hold on, let the camera focus. Y'all can see why I've been attempting to do it. It failed, I failed multiple times. So what I'm gonna do is, we got this tool right here, the little rotary tool. Y'all need to invest in these. I'm telling you. This came in handy because I got 6.5 door speakers, DS18s, and a Nissan Titan. You originally can't fit these in on Nissan Titan. But I'm gonna stop doing so much chit chatting. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this out. I'm gonna set this camera right here. I'm gonna go ahead and change this out. Oh, so yeah. Investing y'all some of these, you already know what I'm saying? All the little sand things, little sandpaper rolls that go on here. So yeah. I will be right back with y'all. Bet, you know what I'm saying? I know I look a little crazy right now, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to work with these old schools, man. So just tried it out. So yeah, you wanna go ahead and get your tool, invest in these. This at Walmart, got this for about $30. So yeah, that on there, grind that down. All right, man, so yeah. I think that's the closest we gonna get it to. So this is where it gets a little tricky. You gotta line it up. I think it's a little tool you can use to put your where you can center this at. It's some kind of tool, but I ain't got that, man. I ain't got that right now. But you going to make your hole and drill it. So yeah, I showed y'all what to do with the rotary tool. So yeah, hold on, let me drill this out, man. Don't do this when your window is down, please don't. That would not go well for you. When you in it, make sure you drill all around like this. All like that. You see how the rivet coming out now? That's what y'all, yep. And there it go. Do the other one like this. Do the rest of them like that. I'll be right back with y'all. It's coming together. I should have said this before. Make sure you wear a mask and your glasses and tie your hair back. You got long hair, man. Oh shoot. Make sure you do that, man, because you don't want no accidents. You don't want no accidents in your backyard, bro. And you don't need to be inhaling these metal shavings right here. See, I got everything off. Whenever if you doing this in the Caprice, y'all could be doing this in a Box, Chevy, a Cutlass, anything. I don't know if it's the same way with them, but in the bubble Chevys, this is how they are. But make sure you remember how your rides go, man. This is how mine go. So, yeah. Make sure you remember how your rides go. Can't forget that. So yeah. Hey man, just like the other ones, drill these out too. Cause I don't know if y'all saw came like that, but I found my new one and mine didn't come in these rivets. So just drill the old ones out of yours then. So yeah, that's the best way to do it in my opinion. So yeah, I'm finna drill, where is that? This one, I'm finna drill this one out. I did the one at the top, I did the one at the top the same as that way, bro. Just that simple. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I got the old one off, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this new one on. I need to find some more bolts for it. So yeah, man. All right, y'all, so I'm back. It's not the same day as y'all can tell. It's morning time. So I got me some clips. I'm gonna need these. The video, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the video is just about me replacing the door handle, but I'm just replacing the whole door for y'all anyway. Now, remember when we drilled them rivets out? I'm gonna replace them with some bolts. I need to find something that's shorter than this. I tried to attempt to cut it. If I can't find that, I'm just gonna try to cut. I'm finna go to the hardware store. So I'm gonna be going to the hardware store and see what they got for me. So I'm gonna bet with y'all and let y'all know. All right, man, so y'all can see I'm back. I fixed my door handle on the outside, so the outside door handle now works. I'll show y'all. For that, y'all see that? How did I do that? I went up in here. Let me see if I can get it. All right, y'all see that? So it's that rod right there. It's the only rod that looks like that. The adjustable one, it goes in on the end of the door striker. I'm finna put this stuff back together though. This is the other rod. Rod to, I think this is what locks and unlocks the door handle from the inside, I think, if I'm correct. But I'm gonna put all this back together. Y'all gonna see me do it. Y'all can either watch me do it, or y'all can learn from me, either way. So yeah, I'm gonna start talking so much, I know y'all getting bored. So yeah, go ahead and get back to it, man. Well, it look weird, I'm doing this at night. Placing the rivets with bolts, bro. So this should hold up pretty nicely. Y'all see how I got it. That's how I'm gonna leave it. I feel like this is a better method than putting rivets back in and then saying something don't go your way, saying something mess up. You gotta drill it back out again. You're just wasting more money. So you better off just putting the bolts in there. It still can hold this tight, this fasten it down very tight. So yeah, I'm just playing around with it. You know, I got me a driver's side lock and unlock. So I'm just playing with it right now. So unlock is when it shortens, it extends when I press lock. But as y'all can see, I cannot seem to get it in position where it's supposed to do that. So I'm gonna have to try a technique. I will be right back with y'all, and I'll let y'all know what I did. I'm finna show y'all this. I wouldn't recommend this unless y'all have to. So this is what I did right here. If y'all trying to fix y'all though, put tape around it, electrical tape. I'm gonna tell y'all why. This rod, I believe something with this rod is bent. So whoever had the car before I got my hands back on it, I don't know what happened with this car. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know what happened. But anyways, that's besides the point. It won't go back into here. And I think it's supposed to be a clip or something holding the rod into place. But that's gone. I tried to find some on eBay. They don't sell them on eBay. I tried to find them. I couldn't find them. So I said, all right, I'm gonna just find a way. I put tape over the rod because I ain't like how it was scraping the side of the rod or scratching and stuff. You know, I ain't know that was gonna cause a problem in the future. I didn't know. I just want to be on the safe side, man. So yeah, as y'all see, the rod's supposed to go into one of these slots right here, one of them. It didn't want to do right, and whenever I tried to force it into the slots, bro, this rod right here, wait, right there, yeah, well, I'm pointing at, it kept popping out of place. It kept popping out the socket, popping out where it's supposed to be. So I was like, all right, we gotta find something. This is doing pretty good. Let me show you how it works. Yep, that's how it's supposed to be. Before it was scratched out, like, okay, before it was scratched out and it was going like to the left, like where my finger point, it was going that way, and it wasn't supposed to be doing that. It was stressing it out, kept popping out of place. So yeah, got it fixed. I really do this, bro. So if y'all didn't know, I didn't know nothing about fixing doors. I'm not gonna say I know how to fix doors and stuff, but I mean, I know what I'm doing now with a Caprice and Impala. I know what I'm doing. It is simple. It is simple. Once you get the hang of it, fiddle with it for like, I was fiddling with this door for going on 2 weeks. Going on 2 weeks, bro, just to get this door back fully functional working. It was at the point where the door didn't open from the in or out, didn't lock. It made no difference if it locked or not. You couldn't get in it from the in or out. Somehow I messed that door striker up. Well, I didn't mess it up. I got it into the locked position, didn't know how to take it out, but I got help. So yeah, this could be the end of the video. Next video, I could be putting a new door panel on there. Matter of fact, if I ain't show y'all what I'm gonna put on there, I'm gonna show y'all. If y'all do know from my other video, I said I was gonna restore one of them, my driver's side door panel, but I already bought a passenger side door panel. I bought that, so that's in the barn. But I'm waiting on it to get cold. It's still kind of warm outside because you know, Caprice or Impala door panels known to crack up in bad heat. So yeah, we're waiting till it get cold. I don't got no AC in my car at the moment, so yeah, or no tent, because I want the tent to keep the car cool. So yeah. Now I know y'all finna say, Chris, you got Impala SS interior in your blue Caprice. Why would you put this in here? So Impala SS door panels is getting expensive. them things going up in price, bro. Not paying no $500 for no door panel at the moment, cause I got other stuff to buy right now. Like I always say in my videos, bro, be smart with your money, dog. You don't have to get it right now. You don't have to get it right now, bro. If you can make it work, make it work. I mean, it's kind of grayish looking. This is gray. It's not leather, it's cloth, but this the material that's made out of the seats, really. Yeah, it's the same thing. Gray, this is gray. All that's gray. It's just not leather right here. Other than that, it's the same as that door panel, bro. I'm gonna take this off the white Caprice, put it in the blue Caprice. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and ride around and say, oh, my door is entirely fixed. I'm gonna get Impala that says door panel. Best believe that I'm gonna get one. Not right now, though. And whenever I get one, I'm gonna put this back in the white Caprice, bro. So, yeah, don't think I'm just gonna ride around with no mix-match door panels for the rest of the car's life. I'm not gonna do that, bro. I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna get it. Let's believe I'm gonna get it. But yeah, y'all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Next video, I got a lot of videos coming out, so I ain't no telling what the next video gonna be about. The next video probably gonna be about my headlights that I put in, cause I put in some new headlights. So yeah, I'll see y'all next one. Y'all take it easy. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do with your car or whatever you building. Anything is possible. If they say they don't like it, a whole lot of other people say they like it, they hate it. I'm gonna let that be known. It could be your closest buddy. It could be your cousin. They hating. I'll see y'all next.